Diaz with a jump set to Cases. Here's Bautista. Nice block by De La Paz.
Wow. New life for Perpetual.
And they are up by 5 heading into our first technical timeout of set number 3. The action continues here in the Shakey's V-League. www.v-league.ph is the league's official website. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and now we send it over to Denise Tan.
Kung kanina concerned si Coach Obet Javier na mahihirapan sila sa labang nito, ngayon ang inaalala niya ay baka masyado naman daw madalian ang Lady Chiefs. During the second set, Arellano University gave them quite a run for their money. And Coach Javier thinks that this is because his team is starting to be complacent. Kaya naman before the start of the third, he gave additional instructions to Nene Bautista and Ging Balse to keep that wall strong. To his setter Tikar, he told her to take advantage of the fact that she has taller spikers. Ending his huddle, Coach Javier reminds his girls that this is a best-of-5 match. Walang silbi ang first 2 sets kung sa dulo ay bibigay lamang kayo, guys.
Mukhang yun ay nangyayari ngayon eh. Abante na ng 6 itong Perpetual dito sa ating third set.
That's right. And si Joy Cas is the one leading the onslaught right now for Perpetual.
Medyo may kalakasan yung serve ni Jane Diaz. Elaine Sagun ngayon to put it in play for the Lady Chiefs.
But that's so true, no? It's a best of 5. Winning 2 sets is nothing if you don't win the game.
And naalala ka natin as we have another block point here from Salamagos. Naalala nga natin, UAAP Finals. Yun na lang, huwag ka na lumayo.
Yep.
Ateneo, lamang ng 2 set. In fact, Ateneo was ahead 9-3 in the third set. And they lost the match. Nice serve from Sagun.
So kaya nga, you cannot be complacent. You have to finish it.
Because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Para sa Tekken lang yun. Finish it. Here's the setup now for Cases. What an attack.
Nene Bautista, the receiving end of that set.
Tignan natin ulit yung play na yon. From Joy Cases, nintay niya muna makababa yung blockers niya eh. 2 na lang ang abante rito ng Perpetual. Sagun. Cases, nice dig by Balse. Bautista misses.
Pero Perpetual's actually defending a lot better dito sa third set.
Right. 10-7. De La Paz. Tikar. Attacking is Nene Bautista again. Alam mo si Tikar, ang daming binibigyan na bola. Hindi mo alam kung sino papatay sa'yo eh.
That's true.
10-8. Shirley Salamagos.
6'4".
I would think hindi naman 6'4". I would think she's about 6 feet already. Yung base mo dyan pag tumabi kay Ging kung gaano kalayo yung height eh. Tikar. Bautista. Nice block by Tubino.
Fist pump.
Siyempre kasama yun sa celebration. Take a look at it again. Talagang nawala yung velocity ng bola eh.
Well, that's a timely block for Tubino.
Cases. Sagun. Tikar. Bautista. Nice dig there by Diaz. Condada cross. Tikar again. This time for Balse. And Ging Balse scores again.
She hits everywhere. All positions, different angles.
Daming target talaga nito si Tikar. Nene. That's a haphazard save there from Guillermo. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan ng Perpetual as the veteran Nene Bautista continues to serve.
Well, you know, if you're Perpetual, you have to give a good reception because those errors are actually what's bringing Arellano back in this match.
Tikar now for Dana Henson. Condada. Sartin. Ticar this time for Bautista. From behind the line. Tubino with the left hand. Long rally. Ticar. And natigil yung rally sa paghampas ni Balse into the net.
At the reaction of her teammates, sila nahinaya.
Yeah. 12-10. Meron nga yung invisible force field na tinatawag para dito sa Perpetual, ha? Guillermo on the serve. Ticar. Henson. Kept alive by Tubino. Diaz, free ball. Back set.
Oh, good dig.
And Tubino partially deflected. Ibiza. Ticar. Attacking. Sartin's wise to it. Tubino.
This is the best rally so
Right.
far.
Haba. And finally it ends with a hitting error against Henson. And Arellano's looking for a check ball.
Then I'm looking at Tubino. She's actually huffing and puffing.
Right.
Mahaba yung rally.
13-10. Tatlo ang abante rito ng Perpetual. Ticar. And Balse gets it across. Diaz. Dug up by Ticar. Sagun. Dug up here by Sartin. Diaz. Ibiza. Ticar. And Henson finds the line.
Oh, finally, no? A legitimate kill for Arellano. But again, the quality of the rallies, makita mo slowly but surely, it's increasing, no?
Dikitan pa rin itong ating laban na rin.
Oo.
Serving now, Ticar. Wow, Ticar has had more service errors in this game than in the past two. That's her third today. Royce Tubino. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Here's Ibiza. Sagun was way out of position. Pinilit niya pa rin.
Another error para sa Arellano, so
Namagana naman yung kalamangan. Naging 4 na naman.
that's right. Pero when you're looking, or tayo when we're covering a match, no, parang nakakainis if you're a viewer to see na errors lang nagbibigay points sa kalaban.
Nice serve that time by Tubino. Nice angle by De La Paz. And it is 16-11 in favor of Perpetual, heading into our second technical timeout.